Tensions rise and protective measures can falter in the face of an environmental crisis. During evacuations, shelters often leave the most vulnerable, including children and women, alone for extended periods. In Volcano Baby, we witness the repercussions of a volcanic eruption on a young girl's life, creating a challenging situation with returning home not being an option.
Me are all frustrated. School, literature class under a tree. 2 of my school teachers in another tent. And my school friend tell me that she father said that them ain't going in no shelter. Them living in their car on a beach. God knows how she preparing for she A-level exams. So, me a gonna hang up this blouse, sit down, and make sure me blouse don't disappear off the line. Cause people will just take up your things. Me a gonna sit down and study for me CXC. Cause if me not pass, volcano or not, my mother is going to crack me ribs. But how to prepare for school when all of this going on? I might just go mad first. Why, oh boy, what I need 3 eyes. One to watch me blouse, one to study me book, and one next one to watch all the carrying on in the young school girl then. We not really need a third eye, cause as God is me witness, me I gonna see and still not see nothing. But I tell you, somebody gotta watch these young girls. Somebody. So, me I gonna make up this tune. And we might even sing it in the Calypso finals if we got a festival this year. Cause the way the mountain are blow, nobody knows where are we are gonna be. But enough Volcano Baby are gonna burn just now. Watch and see. Volcano Baby, Volcano Baby. Me no want no volcano baby. Volcano baby. Volcano baby. Me no want no volcano baby. Dear Lord, help this island.
During disasters, in what ways might the experience of children, girls, and women in shelters be improved?